Introduction to CSS Outline. CSS Outline refers to a line drawn around elements outside the border edge. It's used for visual effect or to highlight specific elements on the page. The outline is not a part of the element's dimensions. It's drawn outside of an element's border and may overlap other content. Outline properties. Outline properties include outline width, outline style, and outline color. These properties can be set separately or together using the Shorthand outline property. Outline width. Outline width property is used to set the width of the outline. Acceptable values: thin, medium, thick, or a specific width in px, em, rem, etc. Default value is medium if no width is specified. Outline style. Outline style property is used to set the style of the outline. Acceptable values: none, hidden, dotted, dashed, solid, double, groove, ridge, inset, and outset. Default value is none if no style is specified. Outline color. Outline color property is used to set the color of the outline. Accepts any valid color value. Default value is the current color of the element if no color is specified. The outline shorthand property. Outline shorthand property can be used to set all of the outline properties at once. Properties must be specified in the following order: outline width, outline style, outline color. If one of the values is missing, the default value for that property will be used. Tips and common pitfalls with CSS outlines. The outline is not part of the element's box model. It doesn't affect the document layout. Outlines are different from borders. Borders are part of the box model, taking up space in the layout, while an outline does not. For focusable elements, ensure the outline style and color are clearly visible against the element's background color for accessibility. Use the outline offset property to add space between an outline and the edge or border of an element for better visibility. Conclusion: CSS Outline Property is a powerful tool for highlighting specific elements on your web page, especially for accessibility purposes. Mastering the use of outlines can lead to more engaging, accessible, and user-friendly web designs.